Omukisa guno okwebaza
لفخامة الرئيس
jjajja waffe General Museveni
Sheikh Mahad and the brother. We thank you a lot for being part of all the developments that we have here through the embassy, the charity work you've been doing, and the charity work that you're still doing and you will do in future, and the schools that you've been constructing, the mosques, the what. Other people are given these opportunities and given stuff to give out, but unfortunately they don't deliver. But if we have gotten someone who can deliver, we have to say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.